Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a chain of volcanoes which you are probably familiar with, known as Hawaii. As I mentioned previously, Hawaii is a chain of islands which is caused by a mantle hotspot. A mantle hotspot is a hot portion of the mantle which supplies magma, and as the crust moves, the magma stays. This allows the magma to form mountains and volcanoes in a chain, similar to what Hawaii is today. The Big Island of Hawaii consists of 5 volcanoes, which I will be talking about in the order that is shown on screen. The first volcano that we will be talking about is Kohala. Kohala is the oldest volcano on the island, and it has not erupted in the last 120,000 years. You can see in this photo here how much erosion has taken place on the mountain since its last eruption. This is because it is an old volcano and is presumed to be dormant. The main reason why it hasn't erupted in the past 120,000 years is because it is far away from the magma source that is shared between all 5 volcanoes. The next volcano that we will be talking about is Mauna Kea. Mauna Kea has 3 rift zones, which it usually erupts on in flank eruptions. Mauna Kea does not have a summit caldera like Mauna Loa or Kilauea. Instead, it has a central peak with space observatories on top of it. In the case of an eruption, these observatories would likely be damaged because of the higher gas content and explosivity of this volcano. This would be detrimental to the observatory and cause billions of dollars in damages. The next volcano that we will be talking about is known as Hualalai. Hualalai also has cinder cones because of its more gas-rich eruptions. If this volcano were to erupt, it would likely disrupt air traffic and also pose a threat to the villages below. The airport is at a major risk of this volcano because lava has already crossed paths with the airport twice before in history, and there is nothing saying that the volcano won't do it again. The next volcano that we are going to be talking about is Mauna Loa. Mauna Loa is the biggest volcano on the island, making up more than a third of the island's total area. Mauna Loa has 2 rift zones, with the one to the northeast posing the biggest threat. The reason for this is because of its close proximity to the city of Hilo and its potential to wipe out the city entirely. In the case of a long-duration eruption, lava would try to reach the sea, crossing Hilo in the process. The next volcano that I will be talking about is the one that you are all probably waiting for, Kilauea. Kilauea has 2 rift zones as well as a summit caldera. The summit caldera is currently erupting and probably will be for the next little bit. A fun fact about this volcano is that in the last 100 years it has been erupting more often than not. This volcano is the safest volcano on the world for tourists to view, with 1.2 million people visiting the volcano each year. That about concludes the video. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe for more volcano related content.